it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can earn $1 in 2 minutes. Now this thing I'm going to share with you today, it's really under the radar because it's currently in beta testing. Now it's free to join, so you can get started today, and you do not need any experience for this whatsoever. Now I'm going to show you the website. We'll have a brief look at the website and we'll go over a couple of things on there. I'll then show you some research articles that I did on this, and then I'll show you just the simple process of signing up and getting into the beta testing. Because whilst it's in beta testing, you're going to be earning much higher rates of pay than people that will come into this once more people find out about this. So you're getting in at a great time to go ahead and have a look at this. So let's jump over here. Let me just come off this. We'll jump on here very quickly. If this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. This on the screen here is one of my blogs, and I go ahead and I blog and I upload videos about making money online and working from home. And over here I've got it says awesome stuff. I've got a free members area. There's lots of free stuff in there. There's PDFs, there's online courses, there's books on Amazon, there's books on eBay, there's a course on making money with Teespring. There's lots of cool stuff in there. So if you want some freebies, go ahead and check that out. It's all over here for you, and I'll drop a link to that below for you. So let's go ahead and have a look at the website that we're talking about. So it's this one here called Qatar. Now basically I found out about this website via Reddit. Now this is the post that I found on Reddit, and it's with you. I'm always looking on this Be Your Money thread because people are posting stuff on here all the time, and some of them are a little bit rubbish, to be honest with you, but now and again you do go ahead and you find some decent ones. So this one here, this was posted 19 days ago, and this person here they've gone ahead and they've spoken about this Qatar platform, and then they've given you some information on here, and then there's lots more comments below, and I'll show you some of the comments below in a second. But this is what this person's put. They're talking about this new platform, this new app, and that is currently in the development stages, and they're releasing a mobile and desktop friendly web app. So if we come over here, the website that they're talking about, now it says here, you can earn cash and offers from brands in exchange for your focused attention, opinions and data. Now forget all of this jargon here, come down here, how does it work? So it says here, consumers answer questions, give feedback and data to receive cash and offers from brands. So you're going to be working directly with brands, and it's like most of these mobile apps. Brands are coming on here, they're offering a cash incentive for you to go ahead and give them feedback, whether that is on a website, whether it's on a marketing campaign, whether it's about a product. It's just simple feedback really. Now I've come down here, this is the page. I mean, they've got links to they've got all of the team members on here. They all look really happy, don't they? Then we've got frequently asked questions. Now, there's a couple of things on here which I wanted to highlight to you when I was going through this. So it talks about what it is. Now it says here, the way they've currently got it outlined, you will earn 25 cents for a 30-second advertisement. So if we come down here, you see here, it's currently in beta. So how will it work and when will it go live? So you can see here, it's due to go live on the 1st of January 2019. And then once you've signed up to the beta, and I'll show you exactly how you can do that in a second, once you've signed up to this, they're going to send you emails telling you exactly what you need to know, what you don't need to know, and just what you can expect from here. It then talks about the iOS and the Android app. It then talks here about the cash out. So they're looking at doing cash outs via PayPal and also direct debit. So you've got two different options. Actually, there's three. There's the Apple Wallet. So they're looking at PayPal, the Apple Wallet, and also direct bank deposits over to your bank for you. Minimum age requirements for this, you've got to be at least 13 years of age, so that's pretty cool. If you're over 13, you can start earning some extra money. Now, this thing here, when I first saw this, I thought this was a bit bizarre. Why do you need my phone number and email? Because normally when you sign up to these things, you don't need to go ahead and provide a phone number. Now, I went back over here, and I went through and I was going through some of the questions in here. And it just said, let me try and see if I can find it for you. No, I can't. Basically what they've said is they need your mobile phone number just to make sure that people are not signing up via bot services. So people out there that can go ahead and they can just create multiple accounts on these using bots, where the bots are basically things that will sign up and they're just spamming really. So it's here. Why do you need a phone number? To make sure you are a real person and to avoid duplicates / bots. So that's the reason why you would need to go ahead and give them a phone number, just to confirm that you're a real person and you're not a spammer, and you're not going to be creating multiple accounts on here. So if we come down here, it talks about the unlimited surveys, and then there's other bits on here about once you've signed up, where it's available. Now, joining this beta is really simple. You just come down to the bottom of this page here and you put in your name, your email, your phone number, age, gender, and then join the beta, and that's it, done. And then once you've got that, you'll then get an email confirming what the next steps are. They'll show you how you can log into the Qatar app platform, and then up until January, when this is launched, you'll just be getting emails from them, and you'll more than likely get a username and a password to log into here. But I really like this because, like I said, it's currently in beta. Not many people know about this, so by getting in early, you're going to be going ahead and making the most of the platform and getting higher rates of pay than potentially what it will be in, say, 6 months' time. Because what happens is, whenever any new platform launches, obviously they want new users on the platform, so they offer high rates of pay to attract people over to them. And then what potentially happens is, over time, once they get 500,000 up to 1 million subscribers, then they will go ahead and drop the rates of pay, just because they wouldn't be able to potentially continue paying those high rates of pay. So it's like most things, in the beginning they're going to be offering high rates of pay. So go ahead, join the beta, get in early, and then you can look forward to earning some really simple, easy money with this app here. And it's very similar to like most apps. You're watching maybe like a YouTube video and you're earning money for doing so. You're answering questions, you're looking at surveys, you're looking at websites and providing feedback on websites. So it's all pretty standard stuff, really. Now, I'll drop a link below to this for you. Absolutely feel free to go ahead and check this out. And I'll also drop a link over to this article on Reddit here for you. You can go ahead and have a look at this. But like I say, 19 days ago this was posted, so it's a great opportunity to jump on. If you have any questions about this whatsoever, go ahead, leave them below, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching today's video, and I shall see you in the next one.